Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can increase the text size here at the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. First of all, we will need the settings for. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol, so that we're here at the control center, and on the part of the control center is here always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Now you need to scroll down to the point display, and a bit below you will find here the point font size and style. And here below you can increase the text size like I did already with 2 more points that you can follow the video better. So these are the default settings here, but I think this one is better. If you want, you can increase it even more and so on. And yeah, let me show you something else, because you can increase next to the text size or the font size as well at items. Let me go back one step here. So below font size and style, we were having the screen zoom. And here you can increase items as well. Like here with the example with the messages and so on, you can increase these symbols here as well as you want. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao!